Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. Quick fix step-by-step clearly. First, confirm you entered the correct country code and phone number in WhatsApp. Next, make sure your phone has a strong mobile signal and you are not in airplane mode. Turn mobile data off and on to refresh your network connection. If you use Wi-Fi calling, disable it temporarily and try again. Restart your phone to clear temporary network and app issues. Check that your SIM card is active and can receive regular SMS messages. Send a test SMS to your number from another phone to confirm SMS is working. If you cannot receive SMS, contact your mobile carrier to remove any SMS blocks. Open settings and set date and time to automatic to avoid verification errors. Disable any call or SMS filtering apps that might block unknown messages. Check if you have enabled Do Not Disturb and turn it off for the verification attempt. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Permissions, and allow SMS and phone permissions. On iPhone, go to Settings, WhatsApp, and allow notifications and cellular data. Update WhatsApp to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Clear WhatsApp cache on Android from Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, Clear cache. If you are on iPhone, offload and reinstall WhatsApp to refresh the app without losing iOS settings. Close WhatsApp completely and reopen it before requesting a new code. Wait for the countdown timer to finish before tapping Resend SMS. If SMS still fails, select Call Me to receive the code by automated phone call. Make sure you can answer incoming calls and that call forwarding is not interfering. Disable any VPN or proxy because it can affect verification requests. Check that you are not using a VoIP number because WhatsApp may not accept it. If you recently changed phones, ensure your old device is not actively using the same number on WhatsApp. Avoid requesting the code too many times because WhatsApp may temporarily limit attempts. If you are rate limited, wait a few hours and try again with a stable connection. Try inserting your SIM into another phone and request the code to test if the issue is device-related. If the code arrives late, enter the latest code only and ignore older messages. If nothing works, go to WhatsApp support in the app and report the verification issue with your number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.